In this video, we'll install the quick release hub and steering wheel. Install the quick release hub base with screws from L32B and tighten the screws with a 4mm Allen wrench. While installing the hub and steering wheel, keep the steering rack centered up. An easy way to center it up is to measure from the tie rods to the chassis on both sides of the car. Install the hub by pulling back on the black sleeve before sliding it onto the base. Rotate until you hear it lock onto the base. Align the steering wheel with the smaller pattern on the hub. Hold the center cap and plastic ring in place and install the screws that came with the steering wheel. Use a 3mm Allen to tighten the screws. The steering wheel is probably not centered up perfectly, but it'll be adjusted later.